Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQs of 7th of July. But before we begin, quiz. Who has won the men's single title at Madrid Open? Arjun Lal and Arvind Singh, who qualified for Tokyo Olympics 2021, are associated with which sport? India and uh, European Investment Bank have signed a financial contract for the second tranche of euro 150 million for which metro project? Which city has topped the Prime Global Cities Index released by Knight Frank? Jupiter Ice Moon Explorer JUICE is a mission of which agency? Which of the following personality released the review to be the suffering from Aspergillus syndrome? Which country has declared a regional emergency after recent cyber attack on Colonial Pipeline Company? SpaceX has decided to accept which cryptocurrency as the payment to launch lunar mission next year? Which state has decided to bring 1 million hectare under the direct seeding of rice technique for the crop this year? So these were some of the quiz questions from the month of May, and let's discuss the answers. So who has won the men's single title at Madrid Open? So this is Alexander Zverev. And if I ask you who from women's single title who has won? From women's, Aryna Sabalenka. Arjun Lal and Arvind Singh are associated with rowing. India has signed 150 million with the European Investment Bank for the Pune Metro. Which city has topped? This is Shenzhen in China. JUICE is a mission of European Space Agency. So what is this? So this is Elon Musk. So Elon Musk has revealed to be thus suffering from Aspergillus syndrome. Which country has declared a regional emergency? So this is USA. USA has declared regional emergency after cyber attack on Colonial Pipeline Company. SpaceX has decided to accept Dogecoin cryptocurrency as a payment to launch lunar mission next year. So which state has decided? This is Punjab. So let's discuss our today's current affairs. According to International Energy Agency, India can add 26,000 megawatt hydropower project by which year? So the target is 2030. By 2030, India can add 26,000 megawatt. And if I ask you, where is the headquarters of IEA? Headquarters of IEA is in Paris. And there is one more, IAEA, Vienna. This is in Vienna. And what about IRENA? This is in Abu Dhabi. Who has become the second Indian woman to fly into the space after Kalpana Chawla? Kalpana Chawla is from Haryana. And she was the first to fly into the space, and now the second woman is Sirisha Bondla. Sirisha Bondla is from Andhra Pradesh. She's from Andhra Pradesh, Guntur, and she has become the second woman to fly into the space. Which minister has launched the portal Enforcing Contract to promote ease of doing business and improve the contract enforcement regime into the country? So this is law minister. So this is law and justice minister. Law and justice minister has launched this portal enforcing contract to promote ease of doing business. Ease of doing business. If I ask you which state has topped in ease of doing business index, this is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. And who is the minister? Law and justice minister Ravi Shankar Prasad. Okay. And who is the finance minister? Nirmala Sitharaman. Mines minister is Prahlad Joshi. Prahlad Joshi. Mairang will become the 12th district of which state? So Mairang has become the 12th district of Meghalaya. Conrad Sangma is the chief minister. Conrad Sangma is the chief minister. If I let me tell you something, 38th district of Tamil Nadu is Mailaduturai. 31st district of Karnataka is Vijayanagar. Vijayanagara, I think Vijaypura it is. And the 23rd district of Rajasthan is Punjab. 23rd Punjab is Malarkotla. So remember these three. Which country has evacuated 180,000 people amid fear of tropical storm Elsa? So this is Cuba. Cuba's capital is Havana. Cuba. And yes, Janki Raman is the India's ambassador to Cuba. Google has created a doodle of Sir Ludwig Guttmann. Sir Ludwig is known as the founder of which movement? So he was the founder of Paralympic movement. Nagarhole and Bandipur national parks are located in Karnataka. So this is the Nagarhole and Bandipur national parks are in Karnataka. And including this, we have Bannerghatta, Anshi National Park, Nagarhole, and Kudremukh National Park. These are the 5 national parks in Karnataka. Who has been appointed as the managing director of the National High Speed Rail Corporation? So the managing director of National High Speed Rail Corporation is Satish Agnihotri. Satish Agnihotri has been appointed the managing director of National High Speed Rail Corporation. And if I ask you who is the chairman of Railway Board, chairman is Suneet Sharma, Railway Board. And if I ask you who is the minister of Railway, Ashwini Vaishnaw, the new one, Ashwini Vaishnaw. He is a former IAS officer. The Allahabad High Court has asked the central government to lab test the properties of Bacteriophagus found in which river? So this has been found in Yamuna River. KVIC, sorry, this is wrong, not Yamuna River, this is Ganga River. In Ganga River, Allahabad High Court has asked the central government to lab test the properties of Bacteriophagus found in Ganga River. KVIC, Khadi Village and Industrial Corporation, has launched the project named Bamboo Oasis on lands in drought from which village of Udaipur in Rajasthan? So this is Nichla Mandwa. In the village Nichla Mandwa, the KVIC has named the project Bamboo Oasis. And if you talk something about Rajasthan, who is the Chief Minister of Rajasthan? Ashok Gehlot. And KVIC chairman is Vinay Kumar Saxena. Vinay Kumar Saxena. And recently Rajasthan has launched Ghar Ghar Aushadhi Yojana. Aushadhi Yojana. And Vedic Shiksha Board. Vedic Shiksha Board. Vedic Shiksha Sanskar Board and Anuprati Coaching Scheme. Anuprati Coaching Scheme. So these were some of the schemes from Rajasthan. You should remember. Purvanchal Expressway, located in which state, will become operational by August? So this is Purvanchal Expressway is in Uttar Pradesh. It is in Uttar Pradesh. Of course, the capital is Lucknow. Lucknow. We have the headquarters of SIDBI here. SIDBI. And this is a 6-lane road. 6-lane, and which is of 340 kilometer long. 340 kilometer long. Purvanchal Expressway, which is in Uttar Pradesh. And who is the Chief Minister? Yogi Adityanath. Yogi Adityanath. And who is the Governor? Anandiben Patel. Anandiben Patel, who is also the Governor for Madhya Pradesh also. Authorities have warned about the possible eruption of Tal volcano. The volcano is located in which country? The volcano is located in Philippines. In Philippines. In Philippines, we have the headquarters of ADB also. Asian Development Bank, headquartered in Philippines, Manila. And Rodrigo Duterte is the president. Rodrigo Duterte is the president of Philippines. So remember this. Which among the following minister has launched Nipun Bharat program? So what is this Nipun? You can see on the screen. National Initiative for Proficiency in Reading with Understanding and Numeracy. So this is a program regarding the education for the school children's. For the school children's, launched by Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has launched this Nipun Bharat program. Nipun Bharat program. And Education Minister has also launched Sarthak initiative, Yuva program, young upcoming versatile authors, and My NEP program also launched. My NEP 2020 program also launched. And Education Minister has won the International Invincible Golden Prize. Education Minister has won the International Invincible Gold Medal. So Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank is the Education Minister. United States observed its which Independence Day on 4th of July? So they have observed 245th Independence Day on 4th of July 2021. So, and if you talk about USA, who is the president? Joe Biden. Vice President is Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris. So these were some of the current affairs of 7th of July. I will see you on 8th of July.